For your second rotation, you are going to be working with a small group of 3 to 4 students, and you will be talking about agreeing and disagreeing. So your objective for today's center is I can share my opinion with my small group and agree or disagree with my group members. I can record my opinion of soccer on Flipgrid. So in a minute, you're going to see a picture, and I'm going to read a short text about soccer. And as I'm reading it, I want you to look for specific words and phrases that are used, like agree, disagree. Some other signal words you might hear is I think and I don't think. And these words are going to help you understand the character's thoughts or opinions about the topic. In order to move on, we need to understand what agree and disagree mean. Agree means you think the same way as another person. Disagree means you think differently than another person. As I'm reading the text, I want you to look at the picture. It has the keywords on the screen, and I want you to be thinking about the characters and how they feel about soccer. Mateo plays on a soccer team. Mateo's team practices every day after school. I think soccer is the most exciting sport because we run so fast around the field, Mateo says. I run faster than the wind. Mateo's friend Lucas disagrees. I don't think soccer is exciting because I'm not a fast runner, Lucas insisted. I do not like to run fast because I get tired. I agree that you are not a fast runner, says Mateo. I think you should be the goalie. The goalie does not have to run as much. So after listening to the story, I want you guys to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thumbs up for being yes to the question, and then thumbs down for no. You guys are going to kind of look to each other and see what you understand from the text. So question number 1, does Mateo think soccer is exciting? Show your friends in the group and see if you guys agree. Question number 2, does Lucas agree with Mateo? Show your friends agree or disagree. Number 3, does Lucas enjoy running? Again, show your thumbs up or thumbs down. When speakers agree and disagree, they are telling whether their thoughts are the same or different. Words like agree, I do, and so do I are used to express the same idea or opinion. Words and phrases like disagree and I don't are used to say the speaker does not agree. So do I is an informal way of showing disagreement. With your partners, you are going to tell each other what you think about soccer. You're going to either agree or disagree with each other and Mateo, and you're going to take turns talking. So this is my daughter, Kaylee. She's going to help me show you how you can have a conversation with your partners and how you can use those keywords to agree or disagree. So we're going to start.
So I agree with Mateo because I think soccer is exciting because you get to work with your team and pass the ball around, and like you battle against the other team, and it's like really fun to show off your talent.
Yeah. So I disagree with you. I don't think that soccer is exciting. When I think about soccer, I watch it on TV, and every time I'm watching it on TV, it is so hard to follow the ball, and I can never keep up with what's happening. Also, I don't really know the rules of soccer, so for me, I think that soccer is not very exciting. So as you can see, Kaylee and I worked together and we took turns to express how we thought about soccer. We used some of those keywords, agree, disagree. So your assignment now that you're going to do is to go click on the Flipgrid link right here, and it'll take you to the Flipgrid page where you will be recording your opinion about soccer just by yourself. You're not doing it with a partner. This is only by yourself. On the Flipgrid instructions, you will see a sentence frame that will help you to create your personal agree or disagree statement.